Good morning guys and welcome to a New York City vlog. Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. I am speaking to you from New York City. We just got here last night, we got ready, we're about to go get breakfast and then we're gonna go around, I think in SoHo. Ad has to go and buy some things and I'm gonna be with him to help him fix stuff, and then I think we're also getting I don't know, we'll see, I'll show you. This is a quick outfit of the day moment. I'm just wearing this really cute top from Fenty. It needs to be ironed, but the iron in our room is not working and we don't have time to go and request it, so I'm just gonna go out like this for now. These jeans are from Zara, and then these shoes, I got them at TJ Maxx. They were really good finds. And then my bag from Poland. I am so happy to be walking back on these streets again. Like, I'm really happy that this is how I end my US experience, because after this I'm moving back to my home country for an indefinite period of time, because we never say never. But yeah, right now we're going to Citizens Up in Chelsea. We love that breakfast spot. It is a must visit. The food is incredible, the service is really good, and just, I don't know if you can hear me right now because it's very noisy, but it is a place that is really worth checking out. So we're gonna start there and then we're gonna stop to our Blue Bottle Cafe. We have our little spots. Are you excited? You wanted to come here?
Very excited.
He is very excited. He was trying to make this happen for the longest time, and then it worked out for this to be our last stop. His looks better right now. That was, I think, the fastest we've had breakfast in a while. We both ate super fast, especially me, but I was very hungry. Right now we're headed to an office. I'm gonna be working with a brand. They're giving me one of their handbags, and I won't show you just yet until I pick it up. But we're headed there right now. We should be there in about 15 minutes. But I want to stop for a coffee at Blue Bottle first because I didn't get to do that yet. And then we'll see what we get. We are about to go have dinner. We're doing something that we've never done here and something that we've talked about doing. Every time we've been here, we're actually going to an all-you-can-eat sushi. And we are both very hungry. We waited to get hungry so that we could go there and actually eat a lot. And yeah, we found a decently rated place and we'll see if it's worth the hype and if it's any good. I have a little bit of unboxing to do for you once I get back to the room. I just was very tired and couldn't film before leaving, so just a quick outfit change, but nothing special since we're going somewhere low-key. Hi guys, this is Rina from the future speaking. We're doing a short ad break for this vlog because I just want to show you this bag that I got from Teddy Blake. You probably remember this from the Miami vlog a couple months ago. This is Donna. It's from Teddy Blake, New York, and it is the perfect summer bag. I just wanted to show you how I styled it with this outfit. And the reason why I'm showing it to you guys today is because Teddy Blake is having a 4th of July sale across their entire website. I'm gonna put a link for them in the description so that you can check their collections out. This one is my personal favorite from the collection. which is why obviously I have it here with me. But click the link in the description. Definitely go through the website, take advantage of the sale. If you're looking for a bag, their quality is amazing and the work of the bags is really good. And you're definitely gonna get a good deal with the sale, so don't miss it. And if you do end up getting something, let me know what you got in the comments below. Okay, now resume the vlog. Good morning, guys. How are you? It is day 2 in New York. And it's gonna be kind of the last day because tomorrow we have to check out and then I'm leaving to the airport around midday for my longest day of travel in a while. But it is Arts and I anniversary today and I am getting ready. We have a fun day planned together. We are going to Aglio and Più, I think that's what it's called. It's this pasta and pizza place. I saw it on TikTok and I really wanted to check it out in person as well because the dishes look really good and the environment looks nice as well. So we're headed there for lunch and then we got tickets to the Museum of Illusions. We've never been there and it seemed cool and we got offered the tickets, so we're going. And then for dinner, we're going to Budokan. We were both craving some Asian food and I think that's what that place is. We got that recommendation from a friend that lives here. So we're excited to check it out. But right now I am getting ready. I finished most of the packing for tomorrow early. I have a lot of stuff with me and just I hate traveling with a lot of stuff. Like I'm the worst packer there is. And then also because you need one thing and then you have to go through everything to get it. So that's why I kind of finished one of the suitcases. I folded it. I'm not opening it up again. And the other one is where I've left all of the stuff that we need for this trip. It's still a mess out there, okay? It's still a mess, but it is slightly better. I want to do a little bit more makeup this morning because I also want to shoot some content while I'm here for some brands and then also just for myself because I don't know where I'm going to be here next, so I want to have some nice memories. This is why I love making these vlogs and being active on social media and whatever, because I get to look back and I just know that I have all of these memories in all these places that I've been to. Okay, makeup, hair, outfit is done. I'm just wearing this white dress from Fenty. Earrings, a little gold jewelry, and that's it. So keeping it simple today. But I did tell you guys that I have a little unboxing to do from yesterday. I'm gonna start with the thing that I already opened because I was too excited. I finally Art got me an iPad for our anniversary, which is today. And I've been wanting one of these for a while now because I really struggle with using editing tools. I can't really use Premiere Pro. I use some other apps through my phone. So editing just takes up a lot of space, a lot of time, and a lot of effort. And this will be my work iPad now. So expect to see a lot more content much faster because now it's getting serious. We have an editing iPad. This one is a new one. I've never had an iPad before, so I can't really compare it to the other editions. But I think this one just came out last week, and let's see if it's good. So far, it's been nice. It's synced really easily with my iPhone and other data. But I haven't really started using it yet to edit, and I'm planning to do that on my 8-hour plane ride tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes then. So this was unboxing number 1, and then unboxing number 2 is from Oliada, which is that brand I was telling you about. I had to meet with them yesterday because they wanted to give me the most stunning summer bag. This is part of their sand collection. And they also put in this mini scarf that you can roll around to make it even more summery. And we're actually gonna do that right now. I love this bag and the quality is super, super good. They have it in a bigger size as well. I was hoping it would fit my iPad, but it doesn't, unfortunately, because it's too big. I think I'm carrying this with me today because it really matches my outfit. And then I will just remove this. Here is what the space situation looks like. It looks like it's gonna be able to carry my camera, my wallet, a little bit of makeup, and sunglasses too. And I also like this secure pocket that it has from the inside. I love it when bags have this because oftentimes if they're smaller, my big wallet never fits, so it's an easy way to just slip in some cash or something like that and then just have it on the go. And that's it for the unboxings. I think we should head out pretty soon now because our reservation is at 1 and right now it's like 12:15, so we should get going. try it. Give it a first bite. Impressions? Really good? Nice. Got done with our lunch, our coffee break, and we're headed to the Museum of Illusions. We have 3 p.m. tickets. We've never been before, so we don't know how strict they are on the timing, but we'll see when we get there. We should make it on time though. I think we are almost done with our day, at least for now. We're heading back to the hotel right now. We're in SoHo. I wanted to take a look at some Birkenstocks, but no purchase yet. We're going to rest for a little bit before our dinner reservations. I want to change my outfit to something else that I had planned for the night, and we're going to be able to wrap everything up tonight. The weather has been 100% on our side because it's been beautiful yesterday and today. It started raining this morning and we were scared for a little bit, but all that ended up doing was just cooling down the weather so that we would have the perfect walking day. So we were really lucky in that sense. And it's been a really fast trip. I feel like I didn't even feel yesterday. It went by so fast, but it's been fun. Hi everyone, we are about to head out for our anniversary dinner. We made reservations in Budokan, so that's where we're headed right now. And I just wanted to show you really quickly the look of the night. I'm wearing this meshki set. It's from their new bridal collection. I paired it with this Jacquemus bag and then gold earrings. Test number 2. I like how they brought forks, just in case you can't eat with Okay, last day before a super long flight, we just stopped at Whole Foods for breakfast. I got my favorite curry chicken wrap, and before that, I know I said Blue Bottle is like our go-to coffee place, but this is the best coffee that you can find in Europe. It's the Spanish coffee from Arabica, Percent Arabica, and they have a location in Brooklyn. I didn't know that they had one in Manhattan as well, so I randomly passed by it yesterday, and so we came today to try it. And we tried this coffee once last year, I think, last time we were here, and we're ending it with this one again, so it's really good. The reason why I like this is because it has like hints of cocoa at the very bottom of the coffee, and that makes it, gives it a sweet flavor as you're done drinking it, kind of. So yeah, we're about to eat now, then we're going to the hotel, packing the last few items, checking out, and I think I should get going to the airport soon. I still have like 1 or 2 more hours to spare, but I'm probably gonna get headed there after we eat.